I'm back! What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? Yep. Go to red. My cousin, you pushed me. And I thought about it. I thought about this since you said something about the lollipop drumsticks. So I went ahead and I wrapped them in bacon. So, and I also cooked them in the air fryer. So we're about to see what they taste like.
Big guy, watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy. Okay. And we be putting on for sure. And if you know this, join in, subscribe to the channel. We like the vid, it's a big family. And we putting on big for the team. Oh, big guy, watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy. Big guy, hey, big guy. They gon' feel us when we roll.
All right, guys, we're gonna take our chicken legs here. Look at that, beautiful chicken leg. We're gonna go around the top of the bone, right above the meat, in a circle. Make sure it's all separated there. Here you see. Make sure it's all separated. You're gonna take the top of it off. There we go. Get that top gristle off. Okay. It's a little slippery because it's raw, of course. So take the knife. There we go. Take the bone off. A little hard because it's raw. I need a real kitchen. I'll play it around. There we go. Sorry. There we go. There we go. Push the bone down, push the meat on down. Little lollipop. Okay. I'll do another one. Another one. Oops. If I get this one quicker. You guys see that? Yeah. A little work, but hey, outcome is gonna be great. All these ligaments and all that stuff. Okay. There you get the top off. This will come up a little bit easier. There we go. Oops, sorry. There we go. Well, let me go ahead and do the rest of them. These guys all pulled down. You kind of can peel them a little bit, then push the bone out, but you gotta do it with two hands, so it's kind of hard to show you. But you get the gist of it. Just make sure the top of the bone is exposed. Okay. All right, so let's wrap them. Let's actually, I think I'm gonna season them a little bit with maybe some onion powder, some paprika, just a little salt, because I know that bacon has its own flavor, and maybe some garlic. Yeah, let's do that first. Throw some seasoning on these guys. Actually move this bacon out the way for now. Some adobo. I don't want to throw like strong seasonings on here due to the bacon's going to have its own flavor. A little garlic powder. I'm not going too crazy. A little onion powder. Just coming out. And I'll throw some ginger on here for a little different type of kick with the sweet. And gotta have some sazon. Should have had this open already, but let's It's open. Full of color. It's gonna kind of help out the paprika a little bit. All right. Yeah, because I didn't have that much paprika. So just a little paprika. A little smoked paprika. Here we go. All right. Go get them mixed up and get them ready to cover with the bacon. Got them all coated, nice and seasoned. All right, so let's go ahead and choose one of these lucky fellas to get wrapped in this bacon. I know I can't do this with one hand, but yeah, let's start that way. I'll wrap them up and then around. Actually, let me get to where you guys can see it. All right, guys. They're tucked under. Actually, let me start over. And wrap it around. Okay. And take another. Wrap it from the top. You see it? And lay them around. There we go. Okay. See it? Bacon wrapped drumsticks. They seem to stay in place too. Seem to stay in place. So let's try another one on camera as well. Then I'm gonna wrap the rest of them off camera off. Right, this one I'm gonna start at the top. I think that's how I did my other one. Not my practice one. I'm gonna start at the top. Yeah. And then come around to the bottom. Sorry. You guys can see this. Be nice and flat. Okay. Take the other one, start it here. Take care of the bottom. Go. That's it. Yeah. Here we are. They're all wrapped and ready to go. Some you can just tuck like this, and I just tuck them so you keep the ends in so they won't come off. All right, so let's get these. I'm actually gonna make them in an air fryer. Make them in an air fryer. Spray. I've never done this before, obviously. I've been showed you guys this trick. I'm gonna place them in here. It's like about 1 inch apart if I can. About 1 inch apart. So you can lean up against that. If I can, they're just leaning to be fine. I'll adjust them as they cook. One of the more solid ones in the middle. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Bye-bye love. Bye-bye happiness, actually. Bring that a little bit more. Bring that a little bit more. So that's fit down in here. So I'm gonna put them on the chicken. Yeah, sorry. Chicken. It's good to get a drum leg. So it's 360 at how many? 25 minutes. So let's see what happens. You guys stay tuned. 5 minutes. They're looking like this. Oh, they're beautiful. And they kept their shape. The bacon is not too cooked. Just it's not too crispy. Let me just check the temperature got here. Get at least 165. All right, so that's 145. Check that one. Oh, that's 162. Hold on, let's go back into that one. 450. Yeah, that's not. Huh. That's 163. What's up with that one? No, that would just be done. Yep, 180. Boom. 165. I was, yeah. 170, 163. Okay, to the bowl. So it's just about 25 minutes. All of them give me good readings except for this joker right here. Oh, there's some reflections, jeez. Can y'all see that? So 153 for that one. So what I am going to do is give it another 5 minutes. And actually I'm gonna take out the ones like these two right here and are already at temp. I'm going to take them out. Guys, check us out. We at temp. So here it says poultry 165. So yes sir. Yeah, they're all at temp or higher, which I prefer higher, a bit more cooked. So now guys, about 30 minutes in the air fryer. You can set it to 25. Yeah, you can set it to 25. They look beautiful too, look at that. Let's go ahead and get them out and see what we're working with here. Look at that. Go to Red, you told me to do this. But you know, the big guy kitchen, we're gonna kick it up a notch. So, bacon wrap lollipop drumstick made in the air fryer, if I can get it right here. So I could have made one more. Look at that. With the big guy kitchen, we do it different. We got air fried lollipop drumsticks, drumstick pops, wrapped in bacon. That's what you see on it. Wrapped in bacon. Wrapped in bacon. Straight out the big guy kitchen, look at that. Wrapped in bacon. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Just the season, Thanksgiving season. Air fried drumsticks wrapped in bacon. Look at that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See it? Look at that. Man, I understood the assignment. Facts. Check it. I'm back! What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? Yep. Go to Red. My cousin, you pushed me. And I thought about it. I thought about this since you said something about the lollipop drumsticks. So I went ahead and I wrapped them in bacon. So, and I also cooked them in the air fryer. So you're about to see what they taste like. See what they taste like. Look at that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man, that bacon is glistening. I use Smithfield Bacon, which is my favorite bacon, actually. It's tasty. Look at that. And it's done. So 30 minutes in I did it to 25. You know, I saw a couple of pieces still Not at the temp, but added 5 more minutes, and boom, look at that. Yeah. This is really good. Damn. The crispy part off the inside. I got a little teeth, but I can eat. All right, one down and I'll eat to go. There you go. The best drumstick lollipops wrapped in bacon ever made. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Simple, easy to do. I'm glad I went ahead and seasoned the chicken because I wasn't going to season it at first. So seasoned it with some not so potent, you saw what I did. Onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, some sazon, the ginger, and some adobo. And that was it. And I didn't even marinate the chicken. I was going to let it marinate. Most of my plan was to marinate it, but I was like, let me just get up and just do the video because I know with the wings, when I did the wings, it didn't need anything because the bacon added the flavor. And the same thing happened here. The bacon added the flavor. So that's the best part about it. So you guys go try it, adopt it, make it your own, and you'll be happy you did. And you also saw I did it in the air fryer for like 25 minutes to start, let it cook all the way through, test the temp, and then gave it about 5 minutes, so 30 minutes. You know, so total preparation, maybe an hour. Depends on how many that you do because you have to wrap the bacon. So the bacon sticks and it gets nice and greasy with the fat wrapped around the meat so it stays in place, as you see. So I pray you guys are doing well and I'll see you next video. God bless you. Peace.